Are you inheriting an IRA? What are your options? What you don't know can hurt you.
Welcome to this episode of Money Talk with John and Lorraine McCoy, your money team, registered representatives and investment advisory representatives with McCoy Wealth Advisors.
When a person sets up an individual retirement account, an IRA, he identifies one or more primary beneficiaries, and in some cases, contingent beneficiaries. The beneficiaries must be a spouse, a non-spouse, or an entity such as a trust. But what if you inherit an IRA? The choices and required distributions differ depending upon whether you are a spouse of the original owner or a non-spouse, such as a relative or a friend. As a non-spouse, you generally have three choices. First, it's a lump sum or a full distribution. That's where you receive the total value of the account in one payment. The second is a 5-year stretch. That's where you set up an account, but at the end of 5 years, you must have distributed the full amount of the IRA, but there are no annual minimums. And finally, setting up an inherited IRA based on your life expectancy. In this account, you will have an annual required minimum distribution, but that requirement is based on your age tables, not the deceased. Each option carries its own tax consequences. All distributions are taxable as ordinary income in the year that the distribution is taken. However, none of the options are subject to early withdrawal penalties. If the original owner was taking required distributions, did he or she take the full required distribution for that year? If not, the requirement for that year still has to be satisfied. And if you don't make the correct inherited distributions, the IRS imposes a 50% penalty on the amount that should have been taken out. Ouch, that could hurt. So if you find out that you inherited an IRA, what is your best option? How does that fit into your financial future? Let us help. We know the steps to take and the questions to ask. Let us help you prepare for a healthy financial future. Check out our website at McCoyWealthAdvisors.com. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this episode of Money Talk with John and Lorraine McCoy. For more information, visit their website at www.McCoyWealthAdvisors.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Columbus Biz TV Shows.